How to join a Telegram group with QR code. So first is you have to have a copy of QR code of that specific Telegram group. So I just searched a sample of a QR code and just saved it. Now it's in my gallery. Here my photos. Now to join the Telegram group, you have to go to that saved QR, and then on the upper right you will see the scanner there, or the search or Google Lens. Then here, if you click on this, it will actually give you an option to go to Chrome, then go to Telegram, or just go to Telegram directly, and basically you will be able to join that Telegram group. Now, if that's not working with you, then I recommend you to go to your Play Store and just search for QR code scanner, then download it, then scan your Telegram group QR code, and then you will be able to join in that specific group. So basically, that is how you join a Telegram group with QR code. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.